I am so pissed off, you guys. I was just sitting and complaining, and I never pushed record. So it is 9:44. I'm finally getting out. I wanted to leave like 20 minutes ago. And Graham's like, well, you know, make sure Charlotte goes to bed. I'm like, Charlotte doesn't need to go to sleep. And he's like, well, I want to get food at 11:30. I'm like, Graham, I will be gone for at least 2 or 3 hours because I do my videos, I film in the car, I do all the edits and stuff, you know, while I'm here. And then when I get home, I do the edits. And I'm like, Graham, I'm not going to be back. And it's like, I got to always hurry up and rush because he wants food all the time. And it's like, Graham, I'm with the kids all of the time, you know. He lets me go into a store, which he sits in the parking lot most of the time, and I'm rushed. So it's like I never get to enjoy the time that I want by myself, kid-free. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say, but it is crappy outside. If it's raining, I probably can't even do my video in the van because, you know, of the raindrops. So I'm going to Walgreens. I'm going to the Walgreens that I used to shop at on Sundays. I haven't been there in 2 months, you guys. And then I'm also going to CVS, which I haven't been to 2 months. So I just put Bad Flower in my CD player. I'm gonna jam out, and I don't have an umbrella. It's way in the trunk, whatever, that's just water. I didn't bring my reusable bags because they're just saying because of everything going on. That's fine. But I feel so empty. I just have my clipboard. And I got a little tiny little purse, so like, you know, I'm not bringing the big stuff with me, but it's crazy. So I'm ready to go shopping. Hey you guys, so it is 12:19 and I am finally done with CVS. It felt so weird to go in CVS. She's like, oh my god, I haven't seen you. And she's like, you seriously haven't been here? And I'm like, no. CVS, funny thing is they got like all these X's all over the place. Sorry, I'm just submitting one of my receipts. And then they have a table in front of their counter plus the plexiglass, and then you bag your own stuff, you grab your own receipt, you take the security tag off yourself, and then you also, they have the credit card thing like all on this table, and all they do is just stick their hand out and scan it. It's like, I understand to be safe, but that's just crazy. That's the most craziest I have seen at CVS, you guys. But I hardly had any coupons. I had some printables, but I mostly used all digitals. Everything turned out fine. I'm gonna film my videos at home because it's raining out and I don't want like the background in it. So I'm gonna be heading home right now to go do a video, to film my video. So hopefully I can get all this stuff posted by 2 o'clock. We will see. It takes like a half an hour to get home. So that is what I'm gonna do, and I'll catch you guys back in a bit. Hey you guys, so it's 2:49. I just got done filming my videos. It takes me forever to get done with my videos, okay? So I finally got that, and then now Alexa is plugged in upstairs. So I am going to play a song and see if it plays upstairs. I don't know if she's plugged in or not. Yeah. I don't know if she's playing. I don't know if I can hear her. Yeah, it's played. I played Let It Grow from the Lorax movie, so we will see if anybody even notices that. But yeah, so I don't know, I did mess up on a couple of my deals, you guys. Like, I feel so bad. I'm so pissed, and I shouldn't be, because mistakes happen, things happen. It's not worth me going back to the store. I mean, I lost like $2,000, or I lost like $2, so I'm like, whoopee. But I don't know. I'll catch back with you in a little bit. Now I gotta start editing. This will take me about a little bit over an hour. I mean, yeah, it's 3 o'clock and I haven't even started. This is how my day goes because I had to sit there and look for everything. And then Graham likes to make me mad and antagonize me, and it's just like, ugh, I just want to film my videos. I just want to do this and I just want to do that. But that's how my day goes. This is why it takes so long for me to do this, because I can't walk in the door and come straight downstairs to film. I have to like, oh, hang out with the family, even though I hang out with the family 24/7 all the time because of this whole lockdown. Okay, so I'll catch you guys back when I have more of a successful day. We'll see. We'll see. Hey, you guys. So I am an idiot. I accidentally deleted my intro to the vlog this morning. So if you're like, where's the vlog? Yeah, it was only like a minute or two, but I'm like, seriously, I deleted it. And then last night I did a basement video and I accidentally deleted that. So I'm like, oh, I don't know what it is. I just cannot think straight. It's like, yeah, so we are watching Beauty and the Beast. I just have that on. It is 5:14. Graham is cooking the second steak that we got around his birthday. We're finally cooking that. Have some corn. Charlotte's eating some cheese right now, and then we're gonna give her some steak. Yes. Yeah. So it is still, it's like cold and finally stopped raining, but it is like cold outside and windy. It is a miserable day today. Yes, but I have a surprise for him tomorrow, you guys. So pretty excited for that. You'll have to see. I don't know if I mentioned it. I can't remember if I mentioned it. My friend did the same deal. I should see how it goes with her because it's happening in her area today. That you're a butt? Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get ready to eat. Got our water. I've been like drinking so much water lately, which is a good thing. I've been trying to cut back on soda, which I haven't. I maybe have a root beer here to there before I was drinking like one a day. So I have been doing it. We've been doing pretty good on our weigh-in. I forgot to weigh ourselves yesterday, so we're gonna weigh ourselves sometime tonight. But we've been doing pretty good. It's week 3. Haven't done very much weight loss, but you know what? We're trying to eat a little bit healthier, you know, not as much junk food, portion control. That's our main priority. You guys, so okay. I think it's like 7:30. I have no idea. I am actually getting things. I just came down here to film my basement video because I accidentally deleted it, and now I actually have ambition to do stuff, and I need to get this in my head that I should be doing this on a regular basis. So I'm actually just I'm gonna try while I'm down here, the time I have right now, it could be 5 or 10 minutes, I'm gonna make a whole donate box because I want to drop off a donate box by the end of this month. I want to drop off 2 donate boxes, so that's what I'm doing right now. But I'm just working on the birthday box, the Valentine's Day, and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna continue doing it, and I'll show you guys how far I got. You'll just have to check it on my whatever video that is called, my basement video. So I'm gonna continue cleaning while I have a chance. Hello everybody. So after I did the basement, I actually spent like maybe 20 something minutes down there. I filled up 2 garbage bags full of crap. I kind of filled up 1 donate box, and then I emptied 2 totes of just crap. It is currently 8:40. Graham and Ben are going upstairs. I think Ben wanted to take a shower, so we're doing that for him. And then Charlotte, I'm just hanging out with her. She just likes to hang out with mommy all the time. But my place, it's not like a bad disaster, but my place is messy, you guys. So tomorrow is just going to be a bum day for me tomorrow. And I just want to clean up a bunch. So you guys will probably see like a fast forwarding cleaning video, because I'm running the dishwasher right now. I want to sweep and mop the kitchen floor again. I want to vacuum the living room. So you guys will probably see a lot of fast forwarding because I haven't done it in like 2 weeks. I just kind of been slacking here and there. Yeah. But tomorrow, what I was trying to say is there's this thing called Kona Ice. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Kona Ice, but they're coming to our house tomorrow. They tell you what town they're gonna be in, and then you just sign up. My neighbor let me know, so it'll be kind of cool. So we're gonna get some shaved ice, or you know, it's like a snow cone, but it's in a cup. So yeah, I did mention that before, but we're gonna do that tomorrow. They come between, I think, 2:30 and 4:30. But I am not going anywhere tomorrow. I really don't want to get dressed. I need to finish I need to finish that wreath. Like, I need to post that video. I've been just kind of slacking on videos lately, and there are certain reasons why I have been doing it. But like I said, I want to do more cooking videos, but it's really hard to cook right now, you know. But more when the grocery stores are more lifted up and I can bring the kids with me, which it probably won't happen. But what happened? Charlotte, she threw up on me. This is spit up. But what I really want to do is like do some hardcore, like, you know, grocery shopping, and I want to do freezer meals and then do a video for that. But right now we're just trying to get a lot of stuff out of our freezer, so when I want to do freezer meals, I can make sure I have the room. Ow, ow. She's pinching me. I want to make sure I have the room in the freezer before I actually do it. So I'm really trying to, you know, eat up what we have and hopefully within like the next month or so, or hopefully by fall, I can get all these freezer meals and recipes ready to go. But like I said, I have like a ton of videos that I haven't even posted yet that I still need to post. But pretty excited for that. I'm gonna do a haul of some vinyl that I ordered for that, and then a lot of you guys want to see, you know, a couple projects. I did make a cup. It's upstairs in the bedroom. I don't know. I brought it up there because I wanted the purple background. But I made a butterfly cup. So I'm just gonna give that to, you know, if somebody if one of my friends, if they want it. You know, I do want to make this a small business. I do want to make, you know, a small business is selling stuff just here and there. I'm not gonna, like, you know, I know there's people on Etsy that charge like expensive stuff, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not really in it to make a full-on profit. I just want to do it, you know, to pay for basically the supplies, some of my time, not most of the time, but like just some of it, you know. But I really enjoy it, so I'm pretty excited for that. But other than that, Miss Charlotte's just a wild one. I'm trying to figure out what I want to watch tonight. I've had the second Jumanji movie that I rented from Netflix. I should finish that. I've been wanting to watch The Osbournes. If you guys ever watched that back in, what, 1997, I think is when it came out, because I was in 7th grade. I feel like watching that, and I have all the seasons on DVD, so I'm like, I've been wanting to watch that. I've been wanting to watch Viva La Bam. We used to make those noises. So that's what I want to do, but I'm not going to watch those until I catch up on what I've been watching. So I have to finish. I watched Hollywood. I watched like 2.5 episodes of that, so I want to finish that up. I want to finish Santa Clarita. My battery's about to die. But I don't. There was another show that I was watching that I want to finish, but I can't remember what it is off the top of my head. But those are the two I want to finish before I start watching the Osbournes on DVD. You are a wild one, little girl. Yes. So can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Say we'll see you tomorrow. And I'm going to have my first snow cone tomorrow, and I don't even know what it tastes like. So say bye-bye. Bye. Yeah. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. You have a lovely night.